Hi, I'm Coach Rick Wiltse at the Kegel Training Center, and today we're going to talk about something that's hardly mentioned in bowling: visual illusions and how we see the lane. We see the lane with our eyes, and we think our eyes are telling us an accurate picture of the lane dimensions all the time, and actually they don't. The illusion is called the Ponzo illusion. It was discovered many years ago, and you can look it up on Google if you'd like. But basically, we see the lane as shorter and wider than it really is. Here's an example. This is how we see the lane in most bowling books. This is how we see the lane when we look at the lane with our eyes. But in actuality, the lane is much longer and narrower than our eyes tell us based on this model. This is just from the foul line to the pins. So because of this illusion, we make larger angle changes with our bodies. We turn our bodies sideways at a much larger degree than we should. And that gets us off in our alignment. It makes us require certain compensations in the delivery. And that's why we don't repeat shots accurately, because of this misalignment due to this visual illusion that happens. Another way to see this illusion is to look down and put your feet beside beside the middle dot on the lanes. Center that dot between your feet and look down at the arrows, and you can see from the camera here that the center of the lane looks like it's between board 15 and board 17. We know the center of the lane is on board 20, but again, that visual illusion makes us believe that that center of the lane is right of center. Another way to experience this visual illusion is to imagine a line from the 39 board on the left of the lane to the center of the 10 pin on the right. Most people will tell me that angle is about 30 to 40 degrees, sometimes even more. The actual angle is only 3 degrees. Now, 3 degrees of your body angle is just hardly an imperceptible movement. So be aware that these angles are going to cause you to misalign yourself and not be down the line of play and make an incorrect shot or an inconsistent shot. So being aware that there's visual illusions in bowling and that the angle from the 39 board to the center of the 10 pin is only 3 degrees, that tells you how far off we can be. Just like looking down the middle of the lane, took our eyes 3 to 5 boards off where it actually is. Although there's no way to fix these visual angle illusions, glasses won't take care of it, LASIK surgery doesn't take care of it, but being aware of it will help you make better decisions and make smaller angle adjustments with your body and use geometry rather than your visual perception as a way to get lined up properly in bowling.